It's remarkable to consider Jonathon Ward started the ICON brand more than a decade ago. Initially beginning with his Toyota Landcruiser restoration shop, TLZ, Ward has since transformed his business to include the production of hand-built custom vehicles from the ICON FJ and Bronco to the one-off Derelict and Reformer projects. With over 125 FJs and nearly 50 Broncos completed and delivered to customers, he's proven that there is a successful business model to pairing classic styling with modern tech, even if the price tag is out of reach for most buyers. We were curious why Ward didn't offer something like this from the start, but he explained that it was initially necessary to demonstrate that his vehicles weren't just a restoration or lightly modified. Mechanically, the ICON FJ model were such a different approach that I felt a modern, industrial aesthetic that I developed for it was necessary to get people to understand it was something different. Those familiar with the Toyota FJ40 models will be able to easily spot the design cues inspired by the originals, from the white headlight bezel to the stainless windshield frame and hood hooks.